Good morning. Today is November 26th, and today is Tuesday, but because we have a short week because of Thanksgiving, we have FOMC today, and we have some extra economic releases this week that usually we don't get so soon because of the Thursday and Friday market closing. So we have some room for volatility. On top of that, Trump was talking about tariffs in China for China. So market reacted last night. We sold off, and then we recovered everything and more. So we have a lot of sellers present in this market, but everything gets bought back up. So buyers are still very much in control. So you could see yesterday we were rallying early on and then dropped, had a big drop, and then spent the whole day slowly grinding higher, closed towards the middle of the range, but we were able to almost get back to value area high. So you can see here that dip, it got bought up, and then we were trading in this distribution. We had a double distribution. Then we were able to break above at the end and close at this area. Then overnight we have again similar action, right? The V recovery, V reversal. And then kind of like the same double distribution kind of action. And now we're trading above yesterday's value area high. So for today, I want to see this area hold and the overnight high to hold for continuation into the upper side of the range and then possibly making new highs. If we start trading back inside value, it could get a little choppy because we're trading in this area where we have all this acceptance. So this is an area where we can go pretty much either way. So not very much interested in trading in here unless we come back above value or start trading below yesterday's value below 59.97. In that case, then I'm gonna be looking for an attempt to continue lower, but more interested in the dip buyers showing up in this 59.56 to 59.62 area. And then if we break this area, then right here we have a high volume node at 59.39, 59.40, and then 59.20. But so far, bulls in control. NQ, similar story. I'm looking for this 980 to hold and then move back to the 21,200. Yesterday I thought we were gonna get there, but then we had some serious sellers that filled the gap and then continued. Still didn't make new lows, so we're bouncing now. So we need to resolve this couple of low volume nodes for that to happen first, right? We have this area right here at 980, and then we have another one here at 21,050 approximately that we need to get through, and then the clear target right here. That's a lot of volume here. So I'm long NQ. I'm gonna see if I can hold. I have a small position that I've been building, and I'm gonna try to hold it till we get there. hopefully we can get there today. Let's see what else. Crude oil. So crude oil is traded above this low volume area, came back down, and now we have this distribution that has three main areas that we want to be looking at. The 69, that's the 20-day point of control, and the weekly VWAP. And then we have this area right here, the 70, 10, and then we have the 68 area. I posted the other day that seasonally crude tends to underperform, tends to sell on the last week of November. We'll see if this week is no exception this year. So far it looks like we started selling, so I'm short right now. See if we can get to retest the low side of the range at 68. If buyers step in and then we get above this low volume area, then the target becomes 71, and then we have to monitor to see if how much buying we have and if we have some continuation to the upside. And gold's been trending up, trending down. Now it's trending back down again. Like I showed yesterday, this weekly chart. If you see a weekly chart, then we had some strong sellers, and then at the same area that we had those strong sellers, more sellers showed up this time when we retested that. So we have to see if this turns into more selling or this ends up being the acceptance area. Since we came back to the 20-day point of control, I expect a little bit of consolidation in this area. So watch this 26.15 area and 26.30 and see if we accept here. If not, we have to look for where those buyers are, since we're getting rejected in this area. So if that's the case, then lower prices are probably expected before we find balance. And we have FOMC at 2 p.m. I said at 10 a.m. we have U.S. new home sales and consumers' confidence, and then tomorrow we have initial jobless claim, GDP, durable goods, PCE, core PCE, consumer spending. So tomorrow we have a bunch of stuff. Crude oil inventories, a bunch of auctions. So tomorrow is going to be, I think, a crazy day. So and then markets are closed Thursday, and on Friday I think it's half a day. I'm not sure. I have to check with the CME website. All right, have a good one.